Today we are taking off from the Labertouche dirt bike unloading area, which is just south of Bunyip State Forest. I think we're in Bunyip State Forest. So let's go. So as of today, yesterday, all these tracks are now open. I was looking at this track on Google Maps and I had no idea that it was this steep. This is my 5th ride on this thing. It's probably my 10th ride on a motorbike full stop. Stay. It's not hot, it's only what, 20 degrees or something. I mean, jeans and a jumper. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going. I just remember seeing on Google Maps that once you go up that first bit of trail, it's pretty much just a straight track. I've got no idea what the elevation's like. I've ridden this thing about 5 times. Before this I rode a couple of dirt bikes once, and then before that it was just pit bikes, or one single pit bike. I saw on the maps there was this sort of dirt bike area by the looks of it, where there were these little hill climbs in this little open area, and it looked like it was at the top of the hill, but I've got reception. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, I wasn't ready for that turn. If you're coming straight up here and you hit this corner, how do you turn? gaining altitude. It's ridiculous. I don't dare shift into second. There's no way. That is not a dirt. That's not a dirt bike area. That's just. That is deforestation. I'm thinking I take a run up here, hit that mound of dirt and just aim for the tree. Look at that. If I roll the bike down there, I'm not going to be able to get back out. We'll just do a 50-point turn when we get to the end. This is not going to stand up. For me, this is what dirt biking is about. Going on this sort of chaotic adventure, and then all of a sudden you stop and you look around and you think, where am I? Just nobody around. There's nobody here. It's sort of a long weekend. Yeah, I do genuinely need to keep an eye on the time, because I don't want to get stuck out here. I also don't want to... If I start going down there, I'm going to have to commit. When you're in these situations, riding alone, realistically the best bet is to just turn around and go back. If you are unsure, I mean, I'm in no position to give advice. And no, slow rider is not a sexual innuendo. Just take it easy. I can just feel the weight of the bike. Just wants to go. It's a little bit intimidating. I really should just put it in neutral at this point. Just watch the back brake. That'll be good. This is alright. Just my hands are killing me. All my weight's going to the handlebars. Just, what do you reckon, just turn it off? Enjoy the serenity. Really don't know why I'm braking. I don't need to brake. It feels so much less intimidating when I don't hear the motor. It's just a mind over matter thing. I should kickstart this thing. Kickstart, bump start, whatever. Yeah, I don't reckon I came this way. Maybe we're stuck in limbo now. We're never going to find our way back. Suddenly no phone reception. Just forever stuck in the bush. And for some reason the bike just doesn't run out of fuel. It's like the back rooms, but cooler. So far this is alright. I don't know where I got stuck. I think it was... no, I've got no idea. And we're back. Let's bump start the thing. Celebrate. The car's still there. Getting confident, but then it's going to take a while to actually turn into a good rider. Short that power line thing is. I mean, look at that.